For most of human history, people did not cook their food. When they found something to eat, they just ate it, and some of them got sick. Thousands of years ago, people learned how to use fire for cooking. But humans have also been interested in using the heat from the sun to cook their food. For example, a group of people who lived in Africa about 2,000 years ago baked a kind of bread on rocks that were heated by the sun. This was the beginning of solar cooking. The first experiments in solar cooking began more than 300 years ago. In those days, glass was becoming easier to get, and people began to use it for house windows. Soon, people learned that when sunlight passed through a glass window into a closed room, the air in the room became warmer. About 250 years ago, a scientist, Horace Desaucher, thought about why this happened. In 1767, he did an experiment which measured the temperature changes in closed boxes, when they were heated by the sun. Desaucher used 5 small glass boxes in his first experiment. He put each one inside of the other. The size of the glass on the top of the largest box was about 25 centimeters by 25 centimeters, and that of the smallest one was about 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. He put the glass boxes on the black table. He used it because he knew something black would catch sunlight better. After a few hours, he measures the temperature in the boxes. The temperature in the smallest box was the highest of all. It was 87.5 degrees Celsius. Later he built a better heat box and was able to raise the temperature to 109 degrees Celsius. This heat box was later called a hot box, and it was a big step for solar cooking. Now solar cooking is becoming popular among people in many parts of Africa. It makes their lives easier. They used to walk a long way to collect wood to cook food. But now, with the sun in the box, they can cook anything they want to eat. An African woman called Eleanor Shinmayol, for example, cooks with the sun. She steps outside of her home. She opens the glass door of the heat box and says, "Ah, it's doing a good job."